going to share with all of you about AI in marketing and AI in productivity. So let's go ahead and start. So today we'll be sharing about how entrepreneurs can use AI to grow their businesses and how can you save that extra 1 hour in your day, or how can you save extra 10 hours in a week using AI and get more time to do other things like relationship building for your customers and stuff like that. So I am Mary Waweru and I am a digital marketing and AI strategist, and I'm very glad to be here. In today's session, you'll learn about 4 things. One is how to use AI for better marketing, for better marketing strategies, for content, and for analytics. And then the second thing that you learn today is how to save 10 hours plus in a week using AI. And then you'll tell me, after you've saved the 10 hours, what will you do with those 10 hours? Another thing you learn today is the tools, the prompts that you can use immediately for productivity and also for marketing. And also we have a freebie. You'll get prompts that you can use for marketing and for productivity on ChatGPT or whatever LLM you prefer. And then there's a strategy session that you'll get an offer for. So let's begin. If you have any questions, please feel free to raise your hand or put it in the chat as I continue. So to start with, we'll talk about AI in marketing, and we'll start with research and strategy tools. Now, the best research and strategy tool is Perplexity AI, and Perplexity is a tool. It's like ChatGPT, but it has access to the internet. So when you search, you can get recommendations for whatever you have searched. And how this tool works, you can understand your audience, you can spot trends, you can analyze your competitors. And I think we can do one demo with Perplexity on how you can research for your marketing using Perplexity. So I'll just go ahead and change the screen that I'm using.
Yes, Mary?
Yes, I'm sharing a new screen.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so that I can.
So, Susan, once you realize you have the AI superpowers, what was the first thing you did as we give Mary time to get herself up? Maybe in the chats or anyone. Once you
Yeah,
realize
I'm ready.
you're
Okay.
ready, okay.
So this is Perplexity. I hope you can see the Perplexity screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, you can. Yeah, now we can.
Yeah. Now, for example, you have an AI training business like I do, and you want to analyze market trends, for example, in Kenya, or we can also narrow down to Eldoret. So just come to Perplexity and type in the way you will type with ChatGPT, AI training businesses. in Eldoret, for example. You can use this for any research. Now here you can already see the like, for example, your competitors that are already in the market. We have one, Startup Grind Eldoret, which is the one we are using today. And then we have Eldo Hub Academy, we have Limon, AI courses, we have Twine Freelance Network. And so you can continue your search. We have even the Cube. You can continue your search and analyze trends, analyze where there is a gap, analyze your competitors, what they're doing, what are you not doing, and understand all that. So that is Perplexity to begin with, and it's a very good tool for research and strategy. So here you can spot trends. You can even ask Perplexity to help you find market gaps. You can also understand your audience. And then the next tools that we are going to look at are content creation tools. Now, after you have already done the research with Perplexity and you have already found what you want to offer, you've already found the gap in the market. Now you need to create content to post on your website or on your socials or wherever you are posting it. And number one, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI generation tool. Now, I won't be able to go through each of the tools because of time, but you'll have this at the end of it, and you can go look at some of these tools and find which ones will work for you. Number one, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is a great tool for image generation. And after you've created these images, you can go ahead to upload them on your website or use them on your blogs or use them on your social media. And then another tool that we have is Canva. Canva is a very good tool to create videos or to create infographics that you can post on your social media or on your website, also for creating presentations like the one I'm using today. Canva is a very good tool. And then we have Vid. For example, if you want to create videos, and of course you are not a videographer, you don't know how to edit videos, Vid is a very good AI video editing tool. You just put your video into Vid, and Vid will do everything for you. And after it, you just prompt the AI, tell it now, do this, add this, and it will do everything for you. And then you download your video after it has already been edited. Next, we have HeyGen. HeyGen is a tool that helps you to create a digital twin. For example, when you want to create videos of yourself, but you don't have the time, you just create one video, feed it into HeyGen, and then it can create more realistic videos of you speaking about whatever you want it to speak. You just prompt it, give it a script, and it will speak exactly like you do. And then we have Kling AI, which is a video generation tool. This is a tool for creating videos. You can create videos for promotions or for your social media. A very good tool that I have also been using. And maybe I can show you a demo of a video I have just created on Kling. So just a minute and then I show you the video. So we have a few video generation tools. We have Kling, which is a Chinese video generation tool, and then we have Runway. Runway is among the first and the best to be introduced in the market. Also a good tool. And then we also have another tool called Sora. Sora AI. It's also a good video generation tool. Okay, it's taking a long time to load. Okay, here it is. Let's give it a minute before it loads, and then we can see some of the videos that you can create on Kling. So here is a video. For example, I was playing with Kling, and here's a video that you can generate. It's a short 5-second video, but there's just so much that you can do with such AI tools. You can create any types of videos that you want. I'm sure you've already seen now the video. It's a very video that has been trending, and you can also join the trends, post such videos on TikTok or on Instagram for your content. Now, moving on from content, we have analytics and performance. Now, how can you use AI to analyze or to perform better? Now, we have two tools that I highlighted for this. We have ChatGPT and we have Claude. ChatGPT is very good in analyzing market data. So you just go to ChatGPT and upload if it's your sales data, or if you have data from your Instagram channel, or if you're using LinkedIn or whatever social media channel you're using. If it's YouTube, go download the analytics from there and then come into ChatGPT, and it has the analysis mode. As long as you start your prompt with analyze this data, it will go to analysis mode, and then there you can analyze your data, and then it can give you the data in form of graphs. It can give you feedback on what you need to do better, how you need to improve your sales strategy. And also another use case is building your ideal customer profile. So here is where you want to understand, you want to think like how your customer is thinking. For example, if you are a digital marketing agency, you know the businesses that will come to you, they are located in this area and this is what they do, and if they're on social media, this is what they're looking for, this is what they are doing, and you want to create that ideal customer profile. Like, for example, let's talk about luxury perfumes. You are a business for luxury perfumes and you need to create your ideal customer profile. So you go to ChatGPT and then I'll give you the prompts later. I'll give you the prompts, so don't worry about the prompts. And you go feed in the prompts that you want your ideal customer profile to be made, and it will give you your ideal customer profile. It will tell you what they are doing, how to get them, what are their pain points, what they are looking for, what their budget is. And then now you can start thinking as the ideal customer profile content. You are creating content for that one customer that is in mind, that ideal customer profile. Next on, now that is it for AI in marketing, as simple as that. So we move on next to AI in productivity. So how do you make every minute count? How do you save time for more or for different other tasks? How do you save 10 hours plus a week? Number one, we have three tools that you can use for this. We have Otter AI, we have Fireflies AI, and we have Notion. So Otter AI and Fireflies AI, they are almost similar. You can use either or. And these ones are AI note takers. So you invite them to join your meetings with you, and then they can help you transcribe the meeting. They can help you give you minutes for the meeting. It will summarize key decisions. It will also tell you next steps. And when you have even pro accounts, it can even help you with follow up, like a follow up email, or give you more and more details on what you need to do next. And then we have another one called Notion, another AI tool called Notion. So Notion is a very good tool that helps with project management and also managing your tasks and also managing your calendar. And I think we'll look at Notion in this slide. Moving on from AI for meetings, now we've finished meetings. Meetings download, okay, not download. You can download from the App Store, but also you create an account using, and then with Otter AI or Firefly's AI, and start using them, start transcribing your meetings and getting your notes done, and see how much that changes everything for you. Number two, how to use AI for emails. Now, here we have three tools that are very good tools. Number one, we have Human. So, what Superhuman does, it changes your email, or you can also use it for your LinkedIn DMs. It helps you organize your emails faster. For example, it has folders where you can organize each type of email. So we have like, these ones are for sales, these ones are for business, these are for this. And actually, the one thing I love about Superhuman more is that you can unsubscribe emails with a single click. That is, I think, the best use case so far. You can unsubscribe from emails with just a single click. And with Superhuman, you don't even have to use your mouse. You just use your keyboard, you press K, it does this, press L, it does this. It's a very good tool. Go try it out. Instead of Superhuman, you can also use plugins. So we have plugins for Gmail with ChatGPT. So just go to Chrome and search for search plugins, and these plugins will help you improve your emails. It will help you write emails faster. It will help you personalize emails. It also does almost what Grammarly does. It helps you improve your tone, improve your clarity. And then we also have another tool called Lavender. Lavender is also an email management tool, but more. It's an email management, but also a sales tool. Now, what Lavender does, it helps you to create like sales messages. It helps you to create leads messages. It helps you to better your email sales strategies. Now, next, how do you manage your calendar in order to be more productive? The one tool I would suggest for this is Motion AI. And what Motion does, it automates scheduling based on, it's an AI tool that will understand on which times, you can tell it which times if you're a morning person, it will help you schedule more creative tasks in the morning, and then the less creative tasks or the other tasks will be later in the day. If you're a night person, it will help you create or schedule tasks in the evening instead of during the day or in the morning, and then it will help you block focus time without manual setup. It's a very good tool. It will, and then the other good thing about Motion AI, you can have all your Google calendars in one space. Like, for example, for me, I have two Google calendars, one for personal and another one for work. So what Motion does, it brings both calendars together, and so that things cannot be, you cannot schedule two things at the same time. It will help you merge those two calendars. And that is it with productivity for AI. I'd love to receive a few questions if you have any questions.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful presentation. So if you're there, you have a question, you could either type in the chats or just raise your hand. Then I'll give you microphone and camera access, whichever comes first. Any
Yeah,
question?
I've seen Larix, you asked a question.
Yes.
When should one use ChatGPT and when should one use Claude? Now, Claude is a good tool because it's a good tool for content creation or creating the first draft. If it's a first draft email or first draft content, it's a very good tool because it humanifies the content. It doesn't give you content that sounds too AI generated. It's more humanized. And then ChatGPT is a good tool when it comes to analysis. ChatGPT has analysis tools. When you go there on ChatGPT and ask it, what is okay, when you start your prompt with analyze this data, it will analyze the data for you. It will give you as graphs, it will give you all that. And also ChatGPT is also good when you are looking to search the internet. I'm sure you've all noticed that with ChatGPT right now, you can click to search, or you can also ask it to reason. So if you need a more logic answer, you can ask it to reason. If you need your answer to come from the web, maybe you're doing research and you don't want to use Perplexity, you can ask it to search from the web. Yeah, so I think I've answered your question.
Yes, you have. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm seeing another question. What is my secret to a good prompt? This is Joe. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. So, my secret to a good prompt, three things. First of all, you have to give ChatGPT. Let's talk about ChatGPT, but you can use this on any other LLM. You have to give ChatGPT a character, for example. So let's say, for example, who is the expert you would go to help you with this work? If it's a videographer, ask ChatGPT to act as an expert videographer. Act as a LinkedIn ghostwriter, act as a marketing strategist expert. And then after giving it a character, give it context. Now you want to give it context about what do you want it to do, and also like a background of what you are. So you start with Mary Waweru, and this is my company. So this is what we do. And after giving it the background, now you want to give it context on what do you want it to do for you. Give it the context, like I want you to create 3 or 5 contents that I can use on LinkedIn or on Instagram, and I want you to follow. And then you have to give it instructions. Instructions are like, I want you to for example, you've already said my number, your number, you need 5, you need 3, you need whatever number. Now you go ahead to the next step. Tell it, use my tone. This is the tone that I use. For example, my tone is authoritative, da 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 da. And for better use cases, for it to give you better results, you can also upload different LinkedIn posts that you have written before, or you can also upload like how your Instagram looks like. You can also upload like your brand identity, so that when ChatGPT gives you that output back, it is looking the same as it is you who wrote it. And then Larix asked, how safe is my image data on Vid? Your image data is safe. Of course, they have privacy clauses that they do not give out the data, and they only use it to retrain the AI. But again, it's also it is advised that you should not give out any data that you feel is too private. So to be on the safer side, it's okay to put in such data, but not give in too private or too personal details. with any AI tool, it's not even just about vid, even ChatGPT. If you have data, like for example, sales data, and you've collected the name, their email address, their contact number, and all other marketing details, delete the first three pages that has the first three columns that has the name, the contact details, delete those, and then feed into ChatGPT the other marketing details or the other sales details that you want to feed in. It is very important not to, we are the ones who should be careful with this. Do not feed in personal data such as name or email addresses, because after you feed in, even if they are promising to be private with the data, there's no way to be sure about it. Do we
Awesome.
have any more questions?
Any other question as we appreciate Mary? Any burning question? 30 seconds. Going once, going twice. Mary, that was quite a wonderful presentation. Thank you very much. And if
Thank
any
you.
of us, oh wait, English is running away from me, wants to reach out to you, Mary, how do we get to you?
Now you can connect with me on LinkedIn, Mary Waweru, and if you want to work with me, just DM me on LinkedIn, and we'll go on from there.
Thank you very much. Also, Mary, you can share your LinkedIn link on the chat so that everybody could just go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, thank you. That was a good presentation. I'm sure I've learned quite a bit. AI grows every day. There's some tools I didn't know that existed, but thank you very much.
You're
Awesome.
welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.